Let's be real. The whole idea of a single, stable career, it's pretty much disappearing. In its place, we've got the side hustle economy. And by 2026, it's not just going to be about earning a little extra cash. No, it's about building a whole new financial strategy to survive and even thrive. So let's break down exactly how this new economy works.
You know, this quote just hits a little too close to home for a lot of us, right? That feeling of a budget that's just full of good intentions that never quite seem to happen. And that pressure alone is forcing a total rethink of how we make a living. But here's the thing. Stagnant wages, that's only half the story. There's a much, much bigger force at play here.
And there it is. That massive force is generative AI, and it's projected to displace somewhere between 10 and 12 million jobs in the US alone. This isn't some sci-fi movie scenario that's decades away. This is the core economic reality we are staring down right now. And this kind of disruption is pushing millions of people to find totally new ways to secure their income.
And this is what that looks like in the real world. A staggering 36% of all American adults are now part of the side hustle economy. It is a massive, flashing sign that the old promise of a single, stable job is broken. So the big question is, how do you actually navigate this new landscape?
Well, here's our game plan. First, we're going to look at why the old rules just don't apply anymore. Then we'll dive into who's actually part of this new hustle economy. The answer might surprise you. After that, we'll get into 3 key pillars for success: the digital frontier, automation-proof services, and the asset game. And finally, we'll bring it all together into what we're calling your resilience engine.
So let's start with the big shift, that old handshake deal, the one where you gave a company your loyalty and they gave you security for life? Yeah, that deal is off the table. The idea of a 30-year career with one company is basically a museum piece at this point. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. Look at the old model on the left, one employer, a nice, predictable career ladder. That's being replaced. The 2026 reality on the right is all about building an income portfolio, constantly stacking new skills, and focusing on your overall financial resilience, not just job security. So who exactly is jumping into this new economy? Now, there's this huge misconception that side hustles are only for people who are struggling to make ends meet. But you know what? The data tells a completely different story.
This right here shatters that myth. Almost half of all side hustlers come from households that are already earning over $100,000. So this tells us that the movement isn't just about desperation. It's a strategic move. It's about building a financial cushion, no matter what your salary is. And this strategy, it crosses all age groups.
And yeah, this is not just a young person's game. Sure, almost half of Gen Z is diversifying their income, but look at this. Nearly a quarter of baby boomers are doing the exact same thing, a lot of them to beef up their retirement savings. The side hustle has really become a cross-generational strategy, and for almost a third of people, the motivation is the freedom it brings, not just the money. Okay, let's get into the first of our 3 big strategic pillars, the digital frontier. This is where specialized skills meet some incredible opportunities, and honestly, it offers some of the highest rewards in the entire side hustle economy.
A perfect example of this is the rise of fractional work. Instead of one company paying a huge full-time salary for an executive, you'll have multiple startups that'll each pay one expert a monthly retainer for their skills in, say, marketing or sales. This lets professionals monetize the exact same expertise they use in their day job, but for 3 or 4 other companies on the side. It's brilliant.
And speaking of high value, the demand for professional AI trainers has just exploded. We're not talking about simple data entry here. Companies are paying top dollar for doctors, lawyers, and expert coders to literally teach advanced AI models how to think. I mean, just look at these rates, up to $90 an hour for data scientists. This is a brand new field where your deep professional expertise is your most valuable asset.
The creator economy has also professionalized in a huge way. It's not about being a famous influencer anymore. It's about being a skilled content creator. Brands will pay hundreds of dollars for a single video that just feels authentic because that's what actually sells. In this new model, you don't need 1 million followers. You just need the skill.
Okay, so for every high-tech digital hustle, there's a really powerful real-world alternative. Let's look at our second pillar. Services that are basically shielded from automation precisely because they need a human touch. And the demand is crystal clear. I mean, look at the search interest for mobile car washing, a 276% increase. That's insane. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for convenience, for services that come right to their door. And these are businesses that a robot simply can't replace.
And what's so great about this is the incredibly low barrier to entry. You could start a mobile detailing business with less than $500 for basic equipment. You don't need a storefront. All you really need is the gear and the hustle to go out and build a client base of busy people who really value their time.
Our third and final pillar is where we shift from trading your time for money to making your assets work for you. This is where we get into serious wealth building using strategies that don't always require you to own the asset outright.
Rental arbitrage is a really fascinating example of this. You get to control a property without actually owning it. So you sign a 1-year lease for, let's say, $2,500 a month. Then you furnish it and you rent it out on Airbnb for $200 a night. If you just book 20 nights a month, that's $4,000 in revenue and you get to profit on that spread. It's a very active strategy to generate real estate income without a massive down payment.
Now, for a more passive approach, fractional ownership has completely opened up the game. This table shows just how accessible real estate investing has become. You've got platforms like Fundrise that let you invest in big bundles of properties, or Arrived, which lets you buy shares of a single vacation rental and you can do it for as little as $10 or $100. You can literally build a real estate portfolio without ever having to deal with a single tenant.
So after looking at the digital frontier, automation-proof services, and the asset game, what's the big takeaway here? Well, it's all about a fundamental change in how we think about our financial lives. It's about building a system, an engine for resilience.
And this really brings us to the core idea. Relying on one source of income is over. The successful professional of 2026 thinks like an investor, managing a diverse portfolio of income streams. Some are active, some are passive, some are digital, some are physical. This is your engine for resilience in a very volatile world.
And that really just leaves us with one final thought. The pieces are all on the table. High-skilled digital work, resilient local services, accessible asset ownership. The tools and the platforms are out there. The only question left to answer is, what are you going to build with them?